how to convert Excel sheets to Google Sheets without losing format. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to import your Excel sheets to your Google Sheets without losing your format. I'll show you how. First things first, open up a Google Chrome, then go to the 9 dots, scroll down, open up Sheets, and then open up a blank spreadsheet. And then on the top left, you will see File, tap on it and tap on Import. Now go to Upload and then tap on Browse and then go to the folder where your Excel file is located. Just tap on it and tap Open, and then it will take a while to load, and then tap on Import Data. And there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.